your cards are dealt, and the first thing you do when you put your cards in your hand is you take out your threes. When you take out your threes, you take a card for that three, and then you also take a card for your turn. Make sure we have 125 points for our initial. So you add the joker and the twos, which are wild, for 20 points, and the queen, the sixes, which is your three. Now place your cards on the table to create melds. Place down your wild card plus your two, your queen, your second queen, which is 50, 20, 10, 10. Place down your clean triple of 15 points, which is your three sixes. We need additional points to get to the 125. So put down your wild 2, which is 20 points, and your two nines, which are 10 points each. Your initial meld now totals 145. Make sure that your point count is correct. Now you need to discard, and you discard a single, which was our 8. Pick 4 cards now for the talon to add to your hand for your next turn. Now the person on your right picks and discards. Next to go is player 3, or my partner. A 5 was on the discard pile. She could have picked the pack. However, there were minimal cards in the pack, so she chose to take a new card from the stockpile. She then discards a card. Now player 4 goes. Player 4 has a 3. She places a 3 on the table, takes a card, and now takes an additional card for her turn. She then needs to discard. 9 would be the perfect card to discard because her player on her right has already placed her 9s down. Therefore, she cannot pick the pack. It's a good defensive move. Now we are back to player 1. She picks up a 4. Now she places the 9 that she had picked up in the talon on her initial meld. She discards the 4. Turn now goes to player 2 on her right. Player 2 picks a 3, places it on the table, and takes a card for the 3 as a replacement. She then discards. It goes to player 3, who's now my partner. Player 3 picks a 9. Player 3 places the 9 on the melds. Now player 3 sees that the melds have 6 down. She decides to place her wild on her melds to complete a canasta, which makes a total of 7 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She closes the meld, and she puts a black 9 on top to represent a dirty canasta, which will be worth 300 points in addition to the card's point value. Thanks for watching. You can take lessons from me or find me on Facebook at Canasta Class or on my webpage, Jongg Class, and click on the Canasta tab. Please like this video, subscribe, and click the bell for notification.